Okay, so tomorrow I'm supposed to wrap this car, and we have to wash it first. So we just reached the car wash over here, and I'm going to select the premium program, so I will let the car wash do it nearly all for me. And tomorrow, before the wrap, I will clean the car with the 2 steps which are going to be left. So first solvent-based cleaner, and then after that alcohol-based cleaner. Let's do this. So right now I'm removing all the emblems, just so it's all ready for tomorrow. Just so I don't have to do this tomorrow. So this is the second day today, and today we are going to use the solvent-based cleaner and then after the alcohol-based cleaner. So solvent-based cleaner to remove anything which still stayed on the car after the wash, and then the alcohol-based cleaner to get rid of the solvent-based cleaner. And always keep in mind that you have to spray the cleaner on the wipe or cloth, whatsoever. Never spray it on the car, because it can stay behind the bars, behind the rubbers, and that's not very good, because we don't want it to stay there, because it can drip out during the installation, right? So as you can see, we have a lot of tar particles on the car, which we really have to remove, just so the wrap will look smooth and nice. The best thing you can do is to either find the tar and glue remover for such contaminants on the car, or either something which is based on solvent, and it should do the work pretty easy for you. So with the solvent-based cleaner or either tar and glue remover, you would have to clean all the lower sections and the rocker panel especially, and all around the edges on every panel, and the risky areas like the door handles or deep channels if we have them. So one more very important thing is that I really advise to use the gloves for the cleaning process with any type of cleaners, or even for the car wash, just so it will prevent having problems with the skin and nails. That's very important. Alright, so we are reaching the 3rd step of cleaning right now, and we are going to use the alcohol-based cleaner just to get rid of the solvent-based cleaner in the risky areas, and to clean up the flat surfaces all around the car. And of course you're going to use the separate new cloth for cleaning with the isopropyl-based cleaner. We are done with the 3 steps cleaning now. Yesterday we did the 1st step, so the car wash. Today in the morning we started with the 2nd step, so the solvent-based cleaner. And with that 2nd step we still remove something which possibly still left on the car, stayed on the car after the car wash. So tar particles, maybe some protective coat here and there, maybe some glue even after the protective films from the manufacturer. And then the 3rd step, alcohol-based cleaner, to get rid of the 2nd step, solvent-based cleaner, and to clean up all the flat surfaces all around the car. But there's still one more thing we have to do, is to make sure that the car is clean enough. And what we advise to do is to scratch the car so you can hear that specific sound. So that sound means that the car is clean enough and we can start the work. So let's do this.